Today I've got with me the LASA or LASA car mount for your phone. It's a 3-in-1 car phone holder, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and check it out. So let's get started. So in the box you get three things. You get this thing, which is the thing that's going to hold your phone. You get the suction cup mount, and then you get this thing. I think it's an extender or something. We'll check that out later. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. So guessing this thing goes in here and all that. So I'm going to put it together. I'm going to see how it looks. So to use this thing, there's this thing right here which you press, and then the suction cup will stick. You push this thing down, it's gonna stick. So here it is mounted. It's a suction cup mount. It feels like it's got a bit of adhesive or some sort of glue on it. So I'm concerned to see how that's gonna work. Is it gonna allow you to still take it on and off again or not? I tried taking it off just now, and the glue is really strong. Okay, then you have this thing right here, which is a screw. You unscrew it and you can adjust the position of the whole thing. So you just screw it clockwise to tighten it, and then this thing right here which you unscrew to allow you to adjust the phone, and you tighten it. Oh, wrong way. You kind of tighten it. And you can see there's a button at the back here. You press this and you kind of release the phone things, these things. Then you can also push this down manually and up to fit the phone. Okay, so then I take my phone, I put it down here. Make sure the volume buttons are not touching, and then I just kind of push inwards like this, and boom, just like that, I have a phone holder. If you don't want to do a mid-screen mount, you can also use this thing right here, which you can screw and unscrew, and you can basically attach this to, for example, the aircon vents. For example, I just take this, put it here, and then I tighten it up, and you can see how it kind of sticks. Obviously it's going to shake quite a bit depending on your vent setup, but you can now mount it on there if you want. Now I'm not going to be driving anyway, so I can't really test it, but I'll give you an update later if you want. So I'll leave a link to this thing in the description. However, so far it looks okay. Looks okay, but it will shake around quite a bit if you go on bump roads. As you can see, it should bounce around quite a bit.